Hello, and thank you so much for purchasing my monthly budget spreadsheet. Here are instructions on how to use the sheet. The sheet on the left will show you your total income, your left to spend, your total expenses, and your left to budget. This will also show you how much you have left to spend in your budget. This will also show you your budget versus how much you've actually spent. This is your spending overview, how much you've had spent in debt, savings, bills, or expenses. You can put your income name here, so paycheck 6. You can choose the date, double click in here, and it'll bring up the calendar. Your expected budget of your income, and then your actual income would be here. You can do your start date, click in here, and it'll bring up the date. Scroll down, and you can start putting your bills and expenses. All right, I zoomed out just a little bit so that you can see when we put the bills on the left side, if we can do power, and then you put a date, you double click in here, it'll open up your calendar. Budget 300, I spent 300, and as you do this, it will change your pie chart, expenses as well. Grocery store 2, and it will change that as well. You can add this same for saving. Your debts, credit card 7. Let's do 8, 125, 125. And then that will also change your amounts up here as well. If you scroll way down to the transactions tracker, this is a place where you can put in your specific transactions that you use every day. So say we have Disney World 3, and then our budget is $2,000. And then your date, we could double click in here and then put in how much money you spent, and it would find Disney World 3. All of your transactions will be added up and your total will be here. Your budget for your transactions will be here. Now, all of your itemized transactions will be added up here on the top. So everything that you put down here in this budget will be added up here. If you want to put something separate that is not itemized, then you can also put here. And it will add that as well. And that will take out of your total expenses and left to spend and your left to budget. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to let me know in a message, and I will be talking to you later.